How to log into AI Flashcard app. First of all, open the app on your device. On the home screen, you will see two options, Login and Sign Up. Tap on Login to continue. Here you can choose to log in using your Google account, Clever or ClassLink for quick access. If you registered with your email, simply enter your email address and password. Next, tap on the Login button to proceed. If you are logging in for the first time, you may be asked to verify your details or confirm a security code. Once completed, you will be taken directly to your dashboard where you can start creating, organizing, and reviewing your AI-powered flashcards right away. Now you know how to log into Knowt AI Flashcard account quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.